What? Hey, what's going on, social media family? Cory MAY, Sugar Rim Bar, and in this video, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you this guy. See that guy right there? The one with the deuces? Not that guy. This guy. It's my son, Sean, 20 years old. He has a gas app. I showed you guys that I have a gas app. I've made almost over, I think, about $4,000 with that app. Now I'm going to show him how he's going to make money with that app. So if you watch this video until the end, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it and show you how you can use your code and you can get a guy like that and go. So like I said on every video, let's go. All right, so Sean, Brim. Yeah, see that guy back there? That's our security. Our security. We got our security riding with us. So, have you you've been cashing out on the app though?
I cash out every time I get $10.
Won't you let it build? Let it build.
Because you can like select Starbucks or like Amazon or like Dunkin' Donuts.
So why don't you take the cash? Because you'd rather have the gift card?
Yeah.
So there's three ways that the app can pay you. You can either get a gift card, you can have them mail you a check. I don't do either one of those. Or they can send you your money through PayPal. And that's what I do. I send the money through PayPal. But so today what we're gonna do is, so right now I have almost $40 a gallon. So it doesn't benefit me because this truck that I have, I wanna show you, I'm almost out of gas. I'm gonna fill up, it's up to 50 gallons. I'm not gonna get 50 gallons worth of gas. So I would actually lose money if I use my code. So my son has a code. I'm gonna use his code. Every time you send that code to someone, you're gonna get 20 cents one time. The person that you send it to is gonna get 20 cents one time. And then every gallon that they get, you're gonna earn 1 penny. So I've already sent my code to him. So I'm gonna earn 1 penny per gallon for every gallon that we put in here. He's gonna get, do you know how much the Valero is? What did you say, it was 19 cents?
15, I think.
15 cents? So he's gonna get 15 cents a gallon. Here's the thing though, I have to put gas in the truck anyway. So we gotta put the gas in it anyway. So if we're gonna put gas in the truck anyway, we might as well make money while we're doing it. And so not only am I gonna make money, but he's gonna make money. And you know I'm gonna use my credit card, which is gonna pay me back 2% cash back. So making money all around. So watch as we get paid. You wanna say anything? No, because he's 20. You don't want to say anything on camera. Okay, so check this out. So I'm gonna run it down to you real quick. So we're at this Valero. This gas is $2.07 a gallon, and I'm gonna break this all down. So I'll put the numbers on the screen so you can see. This got my card all on it. Don't zoom in on that. Don't zoom in on that. This gas is $2.07, so he's gonna get 19 cents a gallon. I'm gonna fill up this truck, so I'm gonna top it off, and then this dude's gonna make 19 cents a gallon. I'm gonna earn 1 cent because I sent my code to him. So remember, when I send my code to him, he makes 20 cents one time. So every time you send your code to someone, they make 20 cents one time. And then when he uses it, I make 1 cent a gallon. Whoever he sends it to, so when you send it, I'm gonna make another penny. So imagine how many people do you know that get gas every day? And like I say in all these videos, how much gas do you get a week? How much gas do you get a month? How much gas do you get a year? You've never thought about it and nobody ever asked you. And so what he was just saying was, you were saying that you fill up about 4 times in your car? And,
4 or 5.
And then you earn about how much?
Like $10.
10 bucks. 10 bucks. Pretty good when you're 20, getting 10 bucks. But the app is completely free. I will add a link in the description. So the link in the description is gonna be his link. So when you download that, this app works all across the country. Don't worry that if you download the app, because sometimes I'll see in the videos, you guys will say that the app doesn't work where you are. Don't worry about that. Download it. Get your referral code and send your code to everybody that you know. So let me show you the pumping. So the good thing about my truck is that it actually only takes, even though big, huge, lifted truck, it actually only takes about 50 bucks, 60, maybe 50 or 60 bucks to fill my truck up. So, want to say anything? What, you download that? Oh, you show them that?
Let's take it, yeah.
Oh, probably your cell phone signal, right?
Yeah.
Did you claim it?
I can't grab it.
All right, so look, I want to show you. So on his, he gets a $7 referral bonus one time.
You see?
Yep. And then there's another penny on there that he gets for every other gallon. So like I said, just free money just laying out. So my son just brought up a point that I completely forgot about. And I don't think I've ever explained it in any of the videos that I have. some of these gas stations, they have a pump limit, right? So you can only get $100 worth of gas. So what I do, because I have 7 or 8 vehicles, I don't know how many I have, 7 or 8 vehicles. So sometimes I fill them all up at one time. So I have to go inside. I tell the gas station attendant to leave the pump open because I'm getting 200 to 300 gallons at a time. Now again, remember, I know that you're not getting $300 worth of gas. And I know that somebody somewhere is
thinking that this is a waste of time. I'm not gonna do this.
But remember, you gotta put gas in your vehicles anyway. So if you're gonna do it anyway, why not get paid? Why not make money? And I will also say, so are you still getting, do you get, because I know some people have used the app, do you get emails? Like, you're making that face like you don't know what I'm talking about. Because every time somebody uses your code, you're gonna make 1 penny every time they use it. So I get daily deposits every day because people all around the country have used my app.
Nobody used my code yet.
All right, so let me show you what I'm doing. All right, so see right here, see where, well, I don't know how well you can see because the thing is all, so it's 19.7. So what I wanna do is I wanna get this over to 20 gallons. I'm trying to top off. So I wanna get over to 20 gallons because if I don't get that over 20 gallons, we are literally leaving money on the table. So we want to get over 20, and that'll give us 19 a gallon. So good, we're good. Boom, gravy. See, like I said, 41 bucks to fill my truck up. And so now what I'm going to do is tomorrow, the money will get deposited into his account tomorrow. I'll have him send me a screenshot. I'll add that screenshot here. I'll give down a breakdown of all the numbers. My great eyelashes really, look at it, can you see that?
I was looking at it.
This is your future, look at your future. So I'll give a breakdown of all the numbers so you'll see how much you got, how much I got, how much we spent, and if you could do this for yourself every day. I think that makes sense. All right, let's rock and roll. All right, would you like receipt? Yes, because you need the receipt to the app. At least I have the old version of the app. You have to upload the receipt. So you claim it before you come. You pay with a debit or credit card. I'm gonna give him this receipt. So he's gonna scan the receipt.
I have the new version of that.
Oh, it claims it already?
Yeah.
All right, so because he has the newer version of the app, well, my credit card is saved in his file. He has his own 90 credit cards. I don't even know why you got 90 different credit cards, but it uses your GPS signal. It already knows that you're here, and there's a bonus. I'm gonna add another link in here. I'll link another video, or maybe I'll even make another video. I'll link another video on here to where there's another app that you can use to scan those receipts to get free points, which you can then convert into money. So that's why you're watching this video, because you want the money. So more money. So not only did I earn 2% from the gas, I earned the gas points. He earned the points. I earned the points from trading at him, and I'm going to earn points from the scanning the receipt. So it might have been $40, but you know, if you're able to leverage this app and use it in the best way possible, that this could have been free, or I could have got half of it back. All right, we're out. You want to say anything?
No, we're out.
All right, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Never give up.